Everybody quiet.
And all of the rivers till there is nothing at all.